Thomas gets closer.
All right. Okay, that goes over here. All right, coming down.
Thomas, you get.
How are you? Good.
Are you Dusty?
How are you, Harrison?
Do you still see the landline I fixed at your desk, Dusty?
Yes.
Do you know Harrison?
Yes, I do.
Is it still, did it ring? Did you get a call?
I haven't plugged the phone in yet.
Can you unplug it?
This is where they were.
Thomas! Thomas! There you go.
That's not actually.
Lucky people. Wow. That gave me a bomb today. It blew me up on my head. It's all Thomas. Almost literally like Kennywood. Wow. I'm still there. Move the camera.
There's Thomas.
Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Woo! All engines go. Look, there's Percy. We're fast.
Was the person gonna go on that at the game today? Maybe he wanted to merry-go-round like earlier, but he wasn't trying it.
Go.
What's up, Jake? How you doing, buddy? Good to see
Hi,
you.
Thomas.
This is pretty exciting, huh?
Bye, Thomas. See you in 4 seconds.
Oh, you are? This is Harrison.
What? 4 seconds? Okay, lights are changing. Oh!
Late time.
You need to give the flash.
Come see where the fireworks was, huh? Watch your train, because there's going to be a train coming, or your phone. There's going to be a train coming through there.
I'm on the passenger or not. I don't see anything around. Here comes the train right now.
Hi, Thomas.
See the,
Oh, hey there. Oh. Wow. Thomas, the fastest blue engine on Sodor. Here comes what?
Another train.
Oh,
You're not looking the right way. Not that way.
right here.
Over here. I thought you were running the inner main.
Yeah, watch the boots again.
Again?
Yeah.
Take it off.
Pretty good. Hey, Brian. How you doing? Good, good, good.
Disciple again with the demolays.
Sure.
If I don't want to, that's not nice. Why? Pizzazz!
Oh, you're taking a video? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool.
He's gonna post it on his YouTube channel. That's what he's saying.
Six, seven. 6'7".
I mean, now he's saying I learned personally. By
Here comes the
accident,
train.
Out of habit, touching the rail by accident while I put my head.
No.
Here's the thing. Yeah,
No.
like my
It's like stuff that you pour in.
back out of the street.
It's almost like
I can still feel it. Literally.
Alright, guys. Train coming.
You don't have to say guys all the time, right?
No. That was before that. It is Hayden.
I remember one chapter delay.
And then imagine if there's an alligator popping up an alligator.
Yeah, hit him with. Yeah, I like it.
Look how long that thing is! My toes go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. 2, 2.
Hey, here's the thing.
6, 7, 6, 7.
After they fire pocket. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9.
You get the 5, enter the 7. Yeah. And then you flip them, so you know what you get? 6, 7.
Wait, here's some whistles.
Yeah, no, you told me.
What if they stop?
It's coming back on now.
Hey, Smelty's gone.
Hey, Harrison.
Yeah.
Flip. Okay, here's the thing. Think of 79. Flip the 9. You get.
I can't.
Whenever you flip the 9, you get a 6.
Show me how.
Then you swap the 6 with the forbidden number, and then you get all the way
Alright guys. Subscribe and comment.